Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. Today I'm going to show you how to add cash from Cash App. So let's start. First open Cash App. So one thing, if you don't subscribe my channel, then subscribe my channel. If you don't join my Telegram channel, you can join here. If you need more update from me, then join my Telegram channel. So go on topic. It's Cash App here, already login. Now I'm adding card from here. So click linked bank or click link debit card. So I am connecting found bank, link card here. Expired date, then CVC, zip code, click link card, so my card is added. Now I will add cash. So click here add cash and I just select $1, then click add. You need cash pin. You're at $1 to Cash App. So check my balance added here. I'm added another amount. Click 3, add. So added $3 to your Cash App. See, this is the process. So if you like this video, then don't forget to share my channel and my video, and join must my Telegram ID and Telegram channel. Thank you.